What if I told you every beach owes its shape to invisible, microscopic battles? Picture a single grain of sand. It's so small, you could easily overlook it, but this tiny fragment is the unsung hero of every coastline you've ever seen. Today, we're exploring how these minuscule grains spark massive changes, revealing the hidden science of coastlines we often overlook. When you walk along a beach, you're treading on a battlefield. Every grain of sand is locked in a constant contest with wind, water, and gravity. But how does something so small leave such a huge mark? Let's start at the beginning. Sand is born from stone, cracked and weathered by rain, wind, and waves over thousands of years. Once freed, each grain embarks on a journey that can span continents. Ocean waves are relentless sculptors. With every crash, they pick up sand and move it just a little bit, shifting millions of grains in a single moment. Imagine the power of these waves, shaping the shore not with brute force, but through countless tiny actions. Over time, this quiet choreography builds dunes, flattens beaches, and even shifts entire coastlines. But the story gets more dramatic. Storms can sweep away tons of sand overnight, redrawing the map. Currents tug grains along the coast, creating sandbars, spits, and lagoons. It isn't random. Each grain's size and shape affect how far it travels and where it settles. Finer grains drift farther, while heavier grains sink quickly. The beach you see today is the result of endless sorting, sculpting, and resculpting. Scientists call this process dynamic equilibrium. Coastlines are always changing, always finding balance between erosion and deposition. It means that even the sand under your feet is never truly still. If you could zoom in, you'd see grains tumbling, colliding, and being swept along, each one influencing its neighbors and, in turn, the entire landscape. Human activity adds another layer. Building sea walls or jetties can trap sand, altering natural flows and sometimes causing erosion elsewhere. Our decisions impact these ancient, silent battles, sometimes tipping the balance in unexpected ways. And then there's biology. Tiny creatures make homes in the sand, stabilizing it or breaking it down further. Plant roots anchor dunes, while burrowing animals mix the grains. Each player, from the largest wave to the smallest microbe, shapes the destiny of the coastline. So next time you stroll along the shore, remember, beneath your feet, an invisible drama is unfolding. The beach is not just a passive stage, but an ever-changing mosaic shaped by millions of grains, each fighting its own battle. This is how a single grain of sand can shape an entire coastline. It's a story of persistence, subtlety, and the power of small forces. Follow Lorelight for more stories worth knowing.